How do I set up my iPad to make phone calls?
Hello, everyone. Welcome to our new video tutorial. Today, we're going to help you unlock a great feature of your iPad, making phone calls. Yes, you heard that right. Your iPad can also function like your iPhone, and we're here to show you how. This tutorial is perfect for anyone who is new to using an iPad or simply hasn't explored this feature yet. We hope you find it useful.
Ensure your devices are compatible.
To start with, let's talk about compatibility. For your iPad to make phone calls, you need an iPhone with iOS 8 or later, and an iPad with iOS 8 or later. Both devices must be connected to the same Wi-Fi network and signed in to iCloud with the same Apple ID.
Enable Wi-Fi calling on your iPhone.
Before we can proceed to your iPad, we need to first make sure Wi-Fi calling is enabled on your iPhone. 1. On your iPhone, go to Settings. 2. Scroll down and tap on Phone. 3. Tap on Wi-Fi calling. 4. If it's not already enabled, toggle the Wi-Fi calling on this iPhone switch to the on position.
Set up your iPad to make phone calls.
Now that we've prepared your iPhone, it's time to set up your iPad. 1. On your iPad, go to Settings. 2. Tap on FaceTime. 3. Toggle the calls from iPhone switch to the on position. Voila! Your iPad is now set up to make and receive calls.
Making a call from your iPad.
So, you might be wondering, how exactly do I make a call from my iPad? Here's how. 1. Open FaceTime on your iPad. 2. Tap the plus sign at the top right. 3. Enter the name, email address, or phone number of the person you want to call. 4. Tap audio to make a call. And that's it. You're now able to make calls directly from your iPad. We hope you found this video tutorial helpful. Now you can use your iPad not just for apps, browsing and videos, but also to make phone calls. Remember, this feature requires both your iPhone and iPad to be on the same Wi-Fi network and logged into the same iCloud account. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials like this one. Enjoy making calls with your iPad.